To tell if something is a linear equation, what we do is we see if the equation we're given can be written in what is called standard form. And standard form looks like this. Standard form happens when you've got your x and y variables on one side of the equation and our constant, which is just the number that doesn't have a variable, is on the other side. So standard form is ax plus by equals c. So there's a few rules associated with standard form. The big ones are a and b are integers, but a has to be positive. So the coefficient, the number in front of the variable for x, has to be a positive number, whole number, and b has to be an integer. So no fractions, no decimals, nothing like that. If we can write our equation in this form, standard form, that means it's linear. When we graph it, it's a straight line. If it can't be written like this, it's nonlinear. And so all we're going to do right now is just see, is the equation linear, meaning can we rearrange it so that it's written in standard form? So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one that we've got here. And our equation is y equals 4 minus 3x. So the y is on the left side of the equal sign, which is where we need it. The 4, the constant, is on the right side where we need it. So the only thing that needs to be moved is the minus 3x. So we're going to use the addition property of equality to add 3x to both sides. Now I can write this in any order that I want to. I can write y plus 3x, or I can write 3x plus y. But since I want it to be in standard form, the x comes first, that's the order I'm going to write it in. So I'm going to write 3x plus y equals 4. And that is standard form. I've got the x plus the y equals 4, and the a and b are whole numbers and integers. A has to be a whole number, b has to be an integer. Good. So this is standard form, which means this is linear. Great. Okay, let's look at the second one. The second one is 6x minus xy equals 4. So it's already set up with the variables on the left side and the constant on the right. But I don't really have to do any math with this one to know that it is not linear. And the reason it's not linear is because of that second term. This one right here. Because of that xy, it cannot be written in standard form because standard form is just x and just y. Having the xy together, having that combination variable, automatically means this cannot be written in standard form, which means whatever shape this would be if I graphed it, it wouldn't be a line. So this is non-linear.